Well, this is gonna be the second map. This was the first one. We told him he can host because he has a disadvantage. But he closed the lobby. And after that, he said to us he didn't want to play anymore because he's gonna dispute anyway. And he's gonna win the dispute. So I told him we got enough proof on the video. So I hope it's enough. And guys, to edit it a little bit more, to make it all clear, I'll show you the time. I'll show you the messages sent in Dutch. So hope you guys can read a little bit of Dutch. You see that Skynet gangster, the people we played against. Here, he said it didn't work, my game invite. He said yes, he was trying, but he couldn't connect. Then I said he can host the sovereign map. You can host for the English people. Not playing, I meant not playing anymore. And then I said, okay, we win. As soon as we got proof, GGS anyway. He said GG, and he disputed.